Quick helpful hints with the Dahua IP programming. So we're doing a new camera install, so we have to get it onto the network. So you're just going to go into the main menu. You're going to work under TCP IP. I will change this later, but you want to make sure that you have the right gateway and ask the client if they're doing DHCP or if you can put a static IP address. If you don't know that information, just go to any simple laptop, just go to command prop CMD under the run, and it will bring up the old school DOS. But basically you just type in IP config space /all, and it will give you this information. So it actually shows my IP address, the subnet, and then the gateway, and if you need it, the DNS servers. There's also other programs called Advanced IP Scanner. You can kind of get a feel of what's going on with the network. So always good to have IP scanner or any kind of IP program, scanner program, so that you can set up a new installation.